I'm going in that car.
Somewhere here. What is it? Bloody. Wait. 2 hours to get this full bar put back in place. Boosh. Yo, welcome to the Kip and Nuck vlog. This is going to be about the bar installation. So we're taking our old bar out and putting a new bar in. Come in and watch. So basically, Maddie's worked here for nearly 2 years.
Yeah, just that.
A little bit longer.
1.5, 2.
1.5, 2 years. And Maddie's basically had this bar, all this bar here. It's basically completely wrong, isn't it?
Yeah, we've had a couple of events in with this bar now. It's just not ideal, is it?
Run through all the pros and all the cons of the bar.
All the pros. It's massive. It is huge, and we love a big bar. However, shelves are wrong. Don't store enough. These ones are too big. You can't get full back of them. The glass wash isn't even in the bar. It's in the storeroom over there. Fridge.
Do you want to show us where their glass wash is?
Yeah.
How far do you have to walk with glasses?
This is ridiculous. Watch this bar.
Here we go. We're walking all the way.
Still walking.
Bearing in mind when you have 100 people in here and you have to walk all the way through. We're still walking. Here's the glass wash. So we'll demonstrate with the tray how you have to do it.
Put it on here.
Yeah.
Open your glass wash. Hoist it up, and then it goes in.
There we go. So that's one of the main problems, and the other problem is our storeroom is obviously in the back and beyond. So you've basically got to do a country mile to get any stock back in the bar. Right, I'll follow you back.
We do pizzas at Kip and Nuck. So our pizza station is very nicely placed in the end of the bar. But the issue with that is our glasses are kept right next to the pizza station, covered in flour constantly.
The bar looks cool and it served a great purpose, but really, logistically and the setup is terrible. And as if you work on a bar, this is behind our bar, so we actually have nowhere to prep the drinks, etc. So this vlog's going to be all about Maddie getting a new bar. After 2 years of every single day moaning at us, complaining at us, we're finally going to get a smiling Maddie.
Right.
Oh, what have we got there, Mads?
I'm going in that car.
Nah, so we're going to go and take the Land Cruiser. Let's go take a trip. Seeing as though we're on private land, we can film. Don't want anyone hating on the vlogging whilst driving. Here we go. We're doing on the grass there. So, Mads, we are on the way, and basically we're going to go and see our friends about some fab work. Right, on the way, just arrived at High House. This is a local staycation business to us. This is our friend Rob's. Pretty cool, lovely avenue of trees. This first one here is his container, which is called The Retreat, I think it's called. Pretty sick. So we're going to vlog Paul and Rob. Not sure if they'll be expecting us to vlog though.
Do you even know what a vlog is? The hillbillies aren't there.
Oh my god, Maddie! What are you saying? Are you loving it?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Very nice.
Yeah. This is Paul. This is nicknamed Bushy. But basically, we're changing it so the coffee machine goes here and the sink goes even further up there. Yeah. So, but it's pretty exciting because the bar looks massive, and this is—I'm not sure if you can tell—it's a huge shed. So when it comes to Kip and Nuck, it's going to look even bigger. It's going to look like ginormous. We're going to have some nice stools down the front. The reason why his nickname is Bushy is probably not why you're thinking. It's because when he grows his hair grows into a big afro. So he gets nicknamed Bushy.
Like Alfie Royal's hair.
If you want to know an interesting fact about Rob, he was actually current go-kart champion.
I am, yeah. Yeah, I turned F1 down, actually.
Run me through, Maddie. Yes, we've got fridges here. Fridge, double fridge. More shelves.
Is that shelf still?
Yeah.
And then if you want a cupboard.
And the pizza ovens.
Yeah, you won't be able to put gas bottles there and have the gas underneath there to the pizza ovens. So pizza ovens that side. Pizza ovens are there, are they?
See, it's cooking.
All right. Any fun facts for us, Rob?
Not really. No. Just think about welding, that's all.
Yeah, do you go to sleep thinking about welding?
Yeah, wake up thinking about welding. Dream about welding.
Any welders out there on the vlog? Show a little look at the welding. Yeah. So basically, when we first started off doing any form of welding or fabrication, we've got Rob here, who's absolute perfectionist, who does everything by the book, and then we've got Paul here, who just this will be Paul here somewhere here. This will be Paul here, and we'll leave it like that. Paul's quite stingy on the old welding wire, but Rob would weld all the way around there, down there, underneath there. Then he'd probably do an extra precaution weld that will be down here somewhere. So if anyone wants a drift track making, Rob is your man. Basically, put normal like rubber wheels on, then put basically, do you cut a pipe down? Yeah, water pipe. You cut a water pipe down and put it on the back. Therefore, you've basically got a surface that is completely slippy on tarmac. These are pretty gnarly, so if anyone wants a drift track making, Rob will knock them up for you, no problem at all. He'll also make a bar for you. He'll also make anything you want. Rob and Paul have done fair fabrication for us. If you're into welders, by the way, we've got a ridiculous Magster 450 PDI 51. This one here, the Par Weld, this is Rob's go-to. Right, okay, so Maddie, be you 1 second, putting a bar on, put a drink on the bar. Yeah, okay. And be Pippa.
That's so mean.
Alright, okay. Be Harry and put a drink on it. Basically, Harry's our chef who's super small, bless him. He's gonna hate this. We're leaving now, but basically, what do you reckon? How's your progress? Are you buzzing?
Yeah, I'm excited. I like that it's built now and I can see where like the shape is and stuff. No, it's gonna look like.
It's actually proper exciting now, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah,
Buzzing.
now I've seen it, it's so exciting.
Yay! Thank you for watching episode 1. Come back for episode 2 in, I don't know, a few days. And this is the bar, the installation with the boys. Can't wait.